Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find prime numbers in Python. First of all, what is it prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, one and themselves. For example, the first 5 prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Okay, just write a function in Python. First of all, write def is prime. We can return true or false. Okay, x int okay, for I in range 2 int x int 2 range from 2 to square x plus 1 if x div I equals 0, return false. If all okay, return true. Okay, for I in range from 1000. Okay, if is prime I, print I. Okay, let's go. 101. Yes, is prime? Yes. Is 101 a prime number? Yes. And go to check last number 997. 997 is prime? Yes. Okay guys, thank you for the watch. That is all that I want to tell you. Use this script and have a nice day.